Okay, so are you allowed to record conversations? Conversations between you and your ex, conversations between you and the CAFCASS officer, conversations between you and the social worker? The answer is yes. Most of the laws about when you can't record tends to be applicable only to companies. That'll be why if you phone up just about any business, you might get a message that say that calls be recorded for training purposes. It's not really for training purposes. It's to keep recording just in case they need to refer back to it. So the answer is yes, you are legally allowed to. You don't need to ask for permission. You don't need to tell them. Is it a good idea? Well, you know what? It could be considered a breach of privacy. If the CAFCASS officer or the social worker catches you doing that, they might take a dim view in it. They might tell you they're not happy about it. They might tell you you're not allowed to. It may adversely affect the outcome of any report they're working on, that sort of thing. One caveat, you must not record court hearings, whether that's a in-person hearing where you go to court or a virtual hearing. I've known people to do this. Seriously, guys, don't do this. That's contempt of court. You can get in an awful lot of trouble. The good thing about recording a private conversation, there's a couple of things here. It's a good, clear record of what's going on. You might want to transcribe it. Back in the day, I used to sit there with a tape recorder and type things out manually. These days, there's lots of audio transcription things that will do it virtually, or even people that will do it for you. It also keeps you on track because you know that if you're recording something, if it comes to court, you're going to make sure that you're actually being a reasonable human being here. So the answer is yes, you can record another person. Should you? Well, the jury's out on that. I hope this helps.